Gotcha.
Be walking right there.
Dancing. See the lights yet?
Yeah, I saw a little bit.
Alright.
Enjoy it while you can, son.
Yeah,
it don't happen
absolutely.
every day. Don't try and get up and move, though.
No. Well,
Yeah.
I'm right here.
I'm lightheaded, Mom.
I know, lay back.
What is that? Are you video?
Tell Mommy does.
Oh, what are you doing?
You're my angel.
Alright.
Just relax.
Just relax, close your eyes.
I like this feeling.
Well, I
We
understand
stay
that.
this feeling all day long. Can we get this more often?
No,
Is it better than my Malibu punch? You're gonna sleep in a minute.
Yeah.
I love you.
Moms.
You'll thank me one day.
I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep soon.
You should.
Okay.
Lay your head back and relax.
What?
Understand it feels. Lay your head back and relax. Please.
Lay your head back and relax.
Lay your head back and
I don't
relax.
want to lay my head back and relax. Hey, are you gonna be in the room with me?
all the time.
I sleep talk sometimes.
You will not be doing it this time.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, it'll happen.
Promise.
It'll happen.
Promise.
Okay.
Alright.
Feeling okay.
Yeah. I feel like I'm being lifted in the air right now.
Lay your head back and relax. I'm glad you're enjoying your high. You know, there are no street drugs that equal this, and so don't expect it to get it
I feel
anywhere
like I'm
else.
on a porch swinging right now.
It's a good place to be.
On a porch swing.
I'll tell you what, I'll move. You hold this for me, okay? Hold it tight so we don't drop
Someone
it.
keeps pushing me the wrong way. Though.
That's one that lights up.
Huh?
Are you pushing me?
Oh, baby, I'm not pushing.
Someone's pushing me up and down.
I'm just rubbing your arm.
Sorry. Okay.
Buddy?
Lay your head. Just relax.
Oh, why? I don't want to lay my head back.
You gotta listen to what they say, okay? You promise?
I want to see Starbucks.
I will get you Starbucks.
In a little bit.
Will you at least go look at the hat? Will you look at it?
I'll talk.
There's two of them. I feel like I'm in slow motion, just going.
Put your arm down, because that's the hurt arm.
Chilling. Sing. Can I sing?
No, because there's too many other people in here. Please keep this arm still for me.
My head feels like a billion pounds.
Good. Because you need to keep it laid down.
Still filming me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. You're good.
I'm hungry.
I will feed you as soon as they
Can
let
I
me.
get some food in here?
Austin.
What?
Don't move this arm.
Why?
Keep this arm still.
That curtain was just purple.
Please keep your arms still.
No, that curtain was just purple. It was just purple, Mom.
It is still purple, honey.
No, now it's blue.
Just keep your arms still.
And this is black and cream.
Please keep your arms still.
Why does it have holes up there?
I don't know. That's how it's made.
No way. No way. Hey, really?
Put your arm down.
Is that so you can spy on the people behind you? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Feeling okay.
Huh?
Feeling okay.
Feeling what? Is it okay?
Are you feeling okay?
Uh-huh. I'm feeling kind of sleepy now.
Help that right now.
Huh?
I can't help that right now.
I need strawberry daiquiri. That's what I need.
Can't have one today because of all the medicine I'm going to be giving you.
Oh, it was good. Or if we go to Cassoulet and I'm off this if I'm off this medicine, then I could get one, right?
Not today.
Not today. Like next time we go to Cassoulet. I love you.
I love you, babe.
No, I love you.
Thank you.
Oh. Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke.
Why do squirrels float on their back?
Okay, what? Squirrels on our phone.
Why do squirrels float on the back?
Why squirrels on why?
So their nuts don't get wet.
Someone, I'll tell you a joke.
No.
I'm gonna tell you a joke.
But you gotta hold it down. You're being loud. Put your arm down.
Whoa. This bed's moving already.
The bed's not moving.
They're taking me back.
The bed's not moving.
It's not? It's not? It feels like it's moving away. They're gonna take it from me.
I'm not gonna take your bed from you.
So make sure they tell him. Don't take his bed.
Don't take his bed, please.
Don't take my bed, alright? I need it.
Okay.
I like that color.
Just put your arm right here.
Okay. I have a joke.
I'm not sure I want to hear it.
It's
Is
a
it
good.
plain?
It's a good joke.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh no, I forgot.
You can tell me when you get out.
No, I forgot it.
That bird. You want to pick about it here?
Hey,
You want to
Hey.
pick about it here?
how you
That's Lisa's birthday. Oh. Then you gonna waste that room. You know,
how do we?
I got to go do this blood pressure.
Where's your nose?
Okay, well then when he's going and they
Where's your mouth?
At
Where's
6,
your eyes?
6:08. 6:08.
Where's your forehead?
Who's gonna be going?
Where's your hair?
No. Right.
Where's your elbow?
It's okay.
Alright, your other elbow.
We had already planned this, but it doesn't matter.
Where's the ring?
I want to fight over the dress. That's cute.
Where's the...
Good thing to wear. Yeah, they're switching. That's going to end up being 4. Because they've got that one.
Where,
They want to do the one.
where's your shirt?
Yes. So let's do this.
Where did I get this? Where did I get this?
I gave it to you.
They gave it to me? What is it?
My phone.
What's going on?
I'm just on it.
Can I see it?
No,
Can I see?
you're fine.
Yeah, I just want to see it.
See what?
Let's just see your phone.
No, it's fine. You want to have it in your
I
car?
have my phone.
No, you can't play with your phone.
I got to text Sadie.
You don't need to be texting anybody right now.
I need to tell her that I'm going for surgery.
You can tell her when you get out.
Huh?
You can tell her I went in surgery and everything went good when you get out.
I need to tell her I'm going in. I need to tell her.
I'll text her for you. I'll text her for
I
you.
need to tell her. I need to tell her.
I will text her for you, I promise.
No, you won't.
I swear.
You read my messages.
I will not reach what's the matter,
And my
baby.
password. You text her.
Okay, don't move.